don't know about you, but that ending felt like a cliffhanger to me. Just when things were starting to blossom fade to black, we didn't get closure. What happened next? Did Chioma fully embrace love? Did she move back home? Did they have a traditional marriage? Yes, of course. What about Jesse? Will he come back to cause trouble?
There is still so much story to tell. Yes. And we are all emotionally invested. So please, we need more of Odogwu and Achalu. Let's be honest. Love in every word did not feel like a complete story. Just when we are getting emotionally locked in, boom, it ends. That felt like a pause, not a full stop. There is more to this story and it deserves a part 2 or a concluding part. We need to know, did Chioma fully accept Obiara's love? What happened when she went back to Lagos? Will Jessie come back to complicate things? Will Chioma heal her wounds completely, not just from a past relationship, but her childhood trauma? There is so much potential for growth, drama, and even more cultural types. Omoni Oboli gave us something truly. We are not ready to let go of it just yet because I think that story just started. I mean, their couple's life. To know more about Odogwu and Achalugo. Like, I love to see more. So please give us continuation or a concluding part of love in every world. Let's be real. We need more of Odogwu and Achalugo love story. We barely got a taste of their romance even before the movie ended. We want to see how their love grows, how will Achalugo with her past, heartbreak, and big city mindset fully open up to a man like Odogwu, full of tradition, patience, and genuine love. How did they navigate the cultural difference, family expectation, and healing process together? Their journey just started. It can't end here. We need to see the proposal, the challenge, the wins, even the traditional wedding. Yeah. Please give us part 2. Give us more of Odogwu and Achalugo. We are not done watching their love bond. Overall, this was a sweet and thoughtful romantic drama with Pet. Our rate is 9 out of 10, and I'm holding the last point until we get the rest of the story. Have you seen Love in Every Word? Yes, sure. I know, because if you haven't seen this movie, I don't know what you're watching because this movie is trending on YouTube. So, did that ending leave you hanging too? Let's talk in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you want more review like this. Love you. Bye.